Hello everyone! Today let's talk about something super important, our amazing teeth. Your teeth help you chew yummy food, talk with your friends, and give big, bright smiles. To keep them strong and happy, we need to take great care of them every single day. Brushing your teeth in the morning and before bed is a fantastic start. Flossing helps get rid of sneaky bits of food hiding between your teeth. But even with the best brushing and flossing, our teeth need a little extra help from a special friend. That special friend is your dentist. They are like a superhero for your smile. Visiting the dentist once a year is a brilliant habit to get into. Think of it like a fun checkup for your teeth to make sure everything is healthy and strong. Many families like to go in December just before the new year begins. This way, you can start the year with a super clean and sparkling smile. Going to the dentist isn't scary at all. It's a friendly place where people help you keep your mouth healthy. The dentist and their team, called dental hygienists, are trained to spot any tiny problems before they become big ones, which is why these visits are so important for everyone. So, what happens when you go for your yearly dental visit? First, you get to sit in a very cool chair that can move up and down. The dental hygienist will gently look inside your mouth using a tiny mirror. This little mirror helps them see all your teeth, even the ones hiding at the very back. They are looking for anything that needs a little extra attention. They will count your teeth and check your gums to make sure they are pink and healthy. It's a bit like a detective looking for clues to keep your smile in top shape for the whole year. After the checkup, it's time for the cleaning. This is where the magic happens. The hygienist uses special tools to give your teeth a deep clean that you just can't do at home. These tools are designed to gently scrub away any stubborn bits that your toothbrush might have missed. They might use a tool that buzzes and sprays a little water, which can feel a bit tickly on your teeth. It's their way of making sure every single tooth is perfectly clean and smooth. This yearly cleaning is one of the best things you can do to protect your amazing smile. Now, let's chat about some tiny troublemakers that live in our mouths. They are called bacteria. These little germs are so small you can't see them without a microscope. Everyone has them, but they can cause problems if we don't clean our teeth properly. When we eat, these bacteria also have a meal. They especially love sugary foods and drinks. After they eat, they leave behind a sticky, invisible film on your teeth called plaque. Plaque is like a cozy blanket for bacteria, where they can all hang out and multiply. It feels a bit fuzzy if you run your tongue over your teeth. If this sticky plaque isn't brushed away, it can turn hard. When it hardens, it becomes something called tartar, which is much tougher to remove. You can't brush tartar off with your regular toothbrush at home. This is where the dentist's help is so important. The bacteria living in the plaque and tartar are quite naughty. They produce acids, which are like tiny drills that can make holes in our teeth. These little holes are called cavities. At first, you might not even feel a cavity, but if it gets bigger, it can cause a toothache, and nobody wants that. This is why sugary snacks can be a big problem for our teeth. When you eat lots of sweets, chocolates, or drink fizzy pop, you are giving those naughty bacteria a huge feast. They eat all that sugar and produce even more acid. This acid attacks the hard outer layer of your teeth, called enamel. Over time, the acid can wear away the enamel and create a cavity. It's okay to have a sweet treat sometimes, but it's super important to brush your teeth afterwards to wash away the sugar and stop the bacteria from having a party in your mouth. Imagine your teeth are like a castle. The enamel is the strong outer wall that protects it. The bacteria are like little dragons trying to break down the wall with their acidic fire. Eating sugary food is like giving the dragons extra fuel for their fire. Brushing your teeth is like sending out brave knights to fight off the dragons and repair the walls. But sometimes, some dragons hide in places the knights can't reach. That's why you need the dentist, the king or queen of the castle, to help clear them all out once a year. Brushing and flossing at home are your daily superpowers for fighting plaque. When you brush for 2 minutes twice a day, you are sweeping away lots of those sticky bacteria and bits of food. Flossing is your secret weapon for cleaning the tight spaces between your teeth where your toothbrush can't fit. It's like sending in a special cleaning crew to get the tricky spots. These habits are brilliant, and you should be very proud of doing them every day. They are the most important part of keeping your teeth healthy and your smile looking great. However, even the best brushers and flossers can miss a few spots. Plaque is very sneaky and can hide along your gum line or in the tiny grooves on top of your back teeth. Over time, this missed plaque hardens into tartar. Remember, tartar is like super strong glue that you can't remove with just a toothbrush. This is where the dentist's super cleaning powers come in. The dental hygienist has special tools, like a scaler, to to gently and safely scrape away all the hardened tartar from your teeth. This leaves your teeth feeling incredibly smooth and clean. After scraping away the tartar, the hygienist will use a special gritty toothpaste and a spinning electric toothbrush to polish your teeth. This part feels a bit like a car wash for your mouth. The polish helps to remove any surface stains from food or drinks and makes your teeth shiny and bright. It also makes the surface of your teeth so smooth that it's harder for new plaque to stick to them. This professional cleaning reaches every nook and cranny, giving you a fresh start and helping to protect your teeth from cavities and other problems. So, you can see that your home care and the dentist's professional cleaning work together as a team. Your daily brushing and flossing are like the everyday defenders of your smile. The yearly dental cleaning is like calling in the special forces for a deep clean mission. Without the dentist's help, that tough tartar would just stay on your teeth, giving bacteria a permanent home to cause trouble. This teamwork is the secret to a truly healthy mouth and a smile that can light up any room. What happens if we decide to skip our yearly visit to the dentist? Well, those tiny troublemakers, the bacteria, will have more time to cause mischief. The plaque that you miss with your brush will harden into tartar. This tartar will keep growing, and the bacteria living in it will keep making acid. This acid will start to make cavities in your teeth. A small cavity might not hurt, but if it's not fixed by a dentist, it will get deeper and bigger. Eventually, it can reach the inside of your tooth, which can cause a very painful toothache. But it's not just about cavities. All that tartar and bacteria along your gum line can also make your gums unhappy. Healthy gums are pink and firm, but when they get irritated, they can become red, swollen, and might even bleed when you brush them. This is the start of something called gum disease. If it's not treated, it can get worse and even damage the bones that hold your teeth in place. In very serious cases, if gum disease isn't stopped, teeth can become loose and might even fall out. Going to the dentist helps stop these problems right at the start. So, how can you keep your smile strong and bright all year? Here are a few simple tips. First, brush your teeth for 2 minutes, twice a day, with a fluoride toothpaste. Fluoride is a mineral that makes your teeth stronger and helps fight cavities. Second, remember to floss every day to clean between your teeth. Third, try to eat lots of healthy foods like fruits, vegetables, and cheese, and limit sugary snacks and drinks. If you do have a treat, try to have it with a meal and drink some water afterwards. And finally, the most important tip of all, visit your friendly dentist every year for your checkup and cleaning. Think of it as a special treat for your teeth that keeps them healthy for the whole year ahead. Your dentist is your partner in keeping your smile happy. By following these simple steps, you can make sure your teeth stay strong, your gums stay healthy, and your smile stays brilliant for years and years to come. So, get ready to show off that amazing smile.